make some strawberry bacon drummies.
Yum!
I know you're like, strawberry, but it's gonna work. It's gonna work.
I'm down with savory and sweet. I think most people are.
It's pretty delicious. I already have a orange jalapeno recipe quite like this. Just swap out. This is some strawberry marmalade. Gonna hit it with a couple of shakes of Worcestershire.
Lovely.
Some chopped white onion goes in. Now, I don't use any fat in this because this is actually a really good sauce to put in your refrigerator and it won't congeal on you the next day.
Right.
Jalapenos go in.
You want some garlic? Want me to grate some garlic?
With that garlic, girlfriend. And then some light brown sugar.
LBS.
A little bit of that. Okay, let's get it up in the dictionary, Rachel. Let's get it done, girl. Okay, now we're gonna stir this little salt and pepper over this.
Yes.
And then a nice squeeze of ketchup. So now we've basically made a barbecue sauce out of strawberry marmalade. That's gonna cook down and...
Sweet and savory. Yeah. That's what's in any store-bought barbecue sauce.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yep.
It's gonna tighten up just a little bit like this.
Yep, like
and
this
that's
guy
gonna be our flavor base. So we're gonna use that in 2 ways.
Okay.
One way is we're gonna pour about 1/4 cup over our chicken here. There's skin, bone, thighs.
Chicken drummers.
Little drummers. Some chicken
Look,
stock.
if you like chicken wings, pick up the drummers. You get more meat. You know, right? Instead of wings, I make drummers all the time.
Dark meat, you know what I'm saying?
Delicious.
Yes, tasty. Okay. So, this is gonna marinate.
Squish it up and you let it marinate.
Yeah, on your countertop, a couple of hours. Looks like this.
Or you could throw it in the fridge overnight, right?
You could overnight. It's not super acidic. This goes into your oven.
Drop it.
Yep.
At what temp, babe?
You know, you could do 375. I like 375. And then...
Here's a moppine, babe.
Let me hook you up and show you what happens. So about 30, 40 minutes in, they're almost done. Yeah. You want to come over here.
You'll put them on the trivet so you don't have to hold them?
Yeah. And you want to brush them. You want to turn up the oven to broil, and then we're going to get them back in the oven.
To set the glaze.
To set that glaze, girlfriend. And that is how simple it is.
Oh, don't be cheap.
Get it on there, girl.
Get it on there, son.
Strawberry bacon.
Come on.
Drummies. You know what I'm saying?
Because I know how to get the bacon on.
Yeah, when bacon is in the midst, put it in the belly. And there you go. Just a little mint over the top. All right.